Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free Monopoly Go dice rolls. Yes, you heard that right. It's 100% for free. This method is so cool, so amazing, and it's honestly made playing Monopoly Go so much more fun and enjoyable. I hope you guys keep watching till the end of the video to learn how. I'm going to do this step by step so you guys can take a look. I'm here now on Monopoly Go showing you guys how I've done this method multiple times with no shame. And it gets me unlimited dice rolls, and it's honestly so much fun to play. And yeah, and it's on your iPhone or any type of phones, as it works on any type of mobile device. So go grab your mobile devices and open up your web browser. Once you open up your web browser, I'm going to open up Safari and go to this website right here. It's called dicerolly.net. I'll bring it closer so you can take a look. Dicerolly.net. Go ahead and hit start on that first page there. It's going to ask you to type in your username now. So type in your username. After that, hit the proceed button. And of course, we're going to select the most amount of dice rolls and select what kind of phone you're using, Android or iOS, and hit the inject button. So I'm using an iOS iPhone, so I'm going to click on that and hit inject. And there we have it, guys. It's successfully done. Now, just going to do a quick verification. Automatic verification failed. Oh, no. Okay. No worries, guys. So this just means that there's high traffic on the website. Everyone's trying to get their hands on this free dice rolls, which is really funny. But totally fine. I'm going to do this step by step. I'll continue actually doing it step by step so you guys can take a look at it. So you can go ahead and click on that page and on that video and go ahead and play that video. It's a small tutorial similar to exactly what I'm doing here, guys. So you can just follow along this and just watch it till the end. As you guys can see, I am fulfilling both on the second offer that I did. Again, guys, you can do as many offers as you want, but the minimum is 2. And just making sure that you are doing it correctly and reading the instructions and making sure you're following through with the instructions as well. As you guys can see now, I'm on TikTok right now, and I'm just gonna sign in, and you can make an account, guys. Totally okay. Everything here is free anyways. So you can go ahead and interact on the app, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. I'm gonna watch a few videos and get distracted sometimes, which is totally fine. As long as we're completing the offers, guys, we are good to go. So no worries. As long as you're doing it step by step and following along, you'll 100% get the dice rolls. So once it's done, go ahead and open up Monopoly Go, and you guys will see how the dice rolls are being added and how easy it is. You can play as many times as you want. You can hit that go button and continue and really play Monopoly the best way possible with this method. It's super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to comment down below. You can also comment if you need help. I'll try getting to the comments and helping whoever needs help. But yeah, thank you for watching and enjoy, guys. Bye.